Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I have a pre-primed 12 by 16 inch black canvas, and I want to do a swipe, but I want to do sort of uneven feeling. That's Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is, pretty sure it's dazzling white, iridescent pearl. Some water lily. That's going to need to be dealt with. This is periwinkle. Rhapsody rose. I want some jasmine. Now I've got swipe cards. I want a playing card size, I believe. If I want a smaller one, I've got a smaller one somewhere. This is going to have to do. I want Venetian blue. I've been trying to ignore it, but I can't. It's from Modern Masters. Alright, so it's time to decide if I'm going to put some cell activator in a dish, and I think I am. Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam Black. And it occurs to me that if I want things to go smoothly, I might want to go put some paint across the bottom, because that's where my intention is to swipe. And I'm going to include the white on my card. I'm not seeing any cells, but that doesn't mean anything yet. I might tip this. I know I have the right black. Ah, the cells are beginning to pop up. I think I'll continue with that. Every other one. I could use Dancing Fuchsia too, though. Maybe I'll do that now. There's a total chunk of something. No idea what that is. That just makes me want the turquoise. Oh, we got cells on the other end. That's pretty cool, actually. I might want to put some more gold in there, though. I've got Atelier Cobalt Turquoise. And I want some white, since it's beginning to cell up. Nice big cells, too. I'm still thinking about tipping. I love those black cells so much, I'm just going to do black. Am I done with adding stuff? That's the question. Or was more periwinkle. Put a couple spirals in. maybe a few dots. A torch. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked, or you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.